Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to make a healthy salad for everyone today, and as you can see all of my ingredients are ready. So you can see my black chickpeas and cucumber chopped, onion chopped, coriander and green chili chopped as well, and tomato chopped, and I have a tiny lemon slices as well. Now I will I will mix properly all of the ingredient. As you can see, this is a very energetic and healthful salad. You can eat with food or without food as well. So after that you can add a pinch of salt according to your taste, and other things you can add the lemon juice as well. Then after, if you want, you can add the chaat masala. So your healthy salad is ready. This is really healthy actually for who want to lose their weight, and for the other persons also who believe in like natural things to have like healthy food. So this is really good for your health. Thank you for watching.